Amazon's influencer program. This is basically a revolutionary program introduced by Amazon that actually changed the concept of affiliate marketing, because this program allows all of those influencers who are actually publishing content on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube or any other social media platform. They can actually create their Amazon shop for free and they can actually recommend the products from Amazon to their audience to purchase. So whenever their audience go to their Amazon store and purchase some product, so they can actually get the commission. No matter they own this product or not, but they can actually recommend any good product to their audience. For example, if someone is a micro influencer in pet category in Instagram, so they can actually create the Amazon influencer storefront and they can actually list down some best selling product for pets on their store. So their audience who love pets and who are actually following them for pets, they can actually go to their store and purchase all of those products they like, and that influencer can get too much commission from that. So in my last video, I've already given you the introduction of this program, like what this is and how it works. But for in this video, I'm going to be showing you the difference between this program and Amazon affiliate program. So I'm going to give you each and every detail that why I advise all of those affiliate marketers who are actually promoting Amazon product to shift on this program, so they can actually create their storefront, and that will be super easy for them to manage their products, because in Amazon affiliate program they need to give the link for some product to their audience. But in the Amazon influencer program, they will be having their custom URL store on Amazon, so everything will be into a tabular form and it will be super easy for them to manage and super easy for their audience to select the product. So I'm going to be explaining you all of these details step by step live in this video, so keep on watching. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my computer screen right now, and here on Google I have just typed 10 best kitchen knife set, just to show you an example of Amazon affiliate marketer, like how they promote their affiliate product and how Amazon influencers are promoting. So after typing this keyword 10 best kitchen knife set on Google, I just found this first link of a website which is ranking on top of Google, like 8 best kitchen knife set for 2022. And here you can see that this is basically a website ranking on Google, and this is the article which is basically explaining me the quality of these knife sets. And if I go down, I can see one by one all of the knife sets are explained properly with the title, bullet point, pictures and all of their quality and all of their uses. And here I can see the prices of these knife sets, and if I go down I can see a button that tells me that if I click on this button I can just buy this knife set for $195 at Amazon. And same for the other one, if I go up I can see I can just buy this knife set for $475 at Amazon. So this is basically an article which is ranked on Google. So when someone searches on Google about knife, they land on this article, they start reading the article and they start reading the quality of these knife sets. And for example, if after reading they want to purchase that knife set, so they can just click on this button and they can directly go to the Amazon on this listing and they can directly purchase a knife from here. So as that website owner redirect that person from their website to Amazon.com, so that means it is an affiliate link and this is affiliate marketing. So if I purchase this knife from here, that website owner will get commission. So this is one of the affiliate link of that person, but I don't know how many other products that person is promoting. So in that way I'm blind. I can only see these knives which he is promoting, but maybe he is promoting some other product like pressure cooker or frying pan or spoons or any other product. But here I cannot see this. But for example, if this person switch to influencer program, so in that way if I go to their storefront to purchase knife, maybe I will be interested in purchasing some more product and I can ending up buying more product. So that will be a good strategy for that person to get more sales and more profit. So now as you have already know the example of Amazon affiliate link, that in that model an affiliate marketer has to promote the link to their website through their social media channel or even YouTube or Instagram. So Amazon influencer program works just like this, but it is having some additional and cool feature which can help you to earn more money. So now let me just give you an example of Amazon influencer program. So if you go on YouTube and type the name of our channel Ruby Kitchen and click on that channel, so here you can see that she is basically a kitchen influencer sharing the food recipes here, and obviously in her food recipe she will be using some kitchen knives, some kitchen gadgets like spoon, frying pan, oven or anything else. So she basically go to Amazon influencer program, created her storefront, and here you can see the icon of that storefront. So if I click on that, so I have basically landed on her storefront, which is customer storefront on Amazon, and you can see that there's her picture banner, and here's the cover, here's the channel name, and here's written that earns commission. So if someone purchased anything from this store, she basically earned commission. And you can see that all of those items which she recommended in her video, she basically arranged them in a tabular form and in a category form. For example, if I want to purchase any kitchen gadget, I can just click on this listing and then it will expand some more product for me regarding kitchen product. And if I want to purchase any electronic or beauty product, I can just open this one. So let's open the kitchen thing, the thing in my kitchen. So if I click on this one, I can see many of the kitchen items which she basically uses in her video, and here all of these products are arranging in a tabular form. So for example, if someone visits her store from her YouTube link from here, so it will not be hard for them to find some product here. They can just see all of those products in a simple manner in a tabular form, and from here they can just keep scrolling down and keep adding those products into cart which they want. So in this way, there are high chances for those people who are purchasing one product from Amazon affiliate program, they can purchase more than one product from here, because here they can just see all of those products displaying in a very cool manner. So if you are already working on Amazon affiliate method, then I highly recommend you to switch on this platform to Amazon influencer program, so you can just earn a lot more money with less effort. So if you want to learn what is the criteria to enroll in this program and how this program actually works, so you can just watch my next video in this playlist, so you will be able to know what is the criteria and from where you can actually sign up. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.